Hello guys, and welcome to the latest video from KTV. And today I'm at Prestonpans, located on the East Coast Main Line, and also located at I believe a station before. It's two stations before the junction to North Berwick, because you've got I think it's called Long Idri, I don't know how you pronounce it, and Drem, before then you go off to North Berwick. So yeah, I'm already trying to learn Scottish train stations, because I'm not too good at them. Anyway, this is my first station in Scotland for almost 3 years, and it will certainly not be the last this year. I can 100% guarantee that. I will certainly be back here later on in the year, not to Prestonpans, or possibly to Prestonpans, depending on how I feel, but certainly to a lot of other stations in Scotland. But this is basically to give me a taste of what is to come later on in the year, really. Onto the services. You'll be seeing Virgin Trains East Coast, CrossCountry and Scotrail. Scotrail were featured in a Newcastle video. A 156 was featured, 156434 went to Glasgow Central from Newcastle. And in this video there will be 380 Desiros that will be featured, Class 380s. You saw 380-114 on the 1154 Scotrail service from Edinburgh Waverley to North Berwick. We might well see, I think we probably will see that one come back as well. So yeah, over there is a random 82 DBT. I have no idea what it's doing. I think it's an 82, or it's just a, no, hang on, has it got a pantograph at the top of it? Yeah, it's a 90. I'm sure, yeah, that is a 90, and what on earth is that doing over there in the loop? I guess that's Prestonpans loop. I have no idea what it's doing though. Anyway, so, any followers from Scotland, then this video is pretty much hopefully for you. There are some great views at this station, especially the curve around here. I've seen plenty of videos from it, which has given me the idea to come here. But certainly I'm hopefully going to see some great traction here and some great passes. So enough wattling on. Let's get started with a cross-country service. This cross-country service, if my timing is right, it's from platform 2, unless there's something coming around there. No, it's from Birmingham New Street to Edinburgh. It's actually a double. It was 220.001 and 220.018, heading from Birmingham New Street to Edinburgh Waverley. I was going to say, the only cross-country services that really venture here are anything from the south, or from on that southwest to Scotland diagram, unless you get the daily Southampton Central to Edinburgh on a weekday, which will run today, but we won't be seeing it, as well as Edinburgh Reading, which has already gone by. And actually, fun fact, in July, August time, when I'm here especially, the cross-country services from Scotland are actually going to Reading and Southampton Central and Guildford, due to some engineering works happening between between Chesterfield and Sheffield. Yeah, all the trains going from Chesterfield are pulling in and reversing and going through Langley Mill, which is really interesting. No, hang on, ignore me, sorry. Not reversing at all. They're diverted between Derby and Chesterfield. So yes, and they're going through like Langley Mill and Alfreton, I believe, and they'll be going through there and then going here from Southampton Central. So you'll be seeing Aberdeen to Guildford, Southampton Central to Dundee, Southampton Central to Aberdeen, Bournemouth to Glasgow Central, and Southampton Central to Edinburgh a few times, Reading to Edinburgh, Edinburgh to Reading, Glasgow Central to Reading. That's going to be mad. But yeah, the cross-country services to Plymouth are only terminating in Newcastle, and I think one's going to Edinburgh, so that's about it really. I know, I think they're all going to Newcastle. Anyway, I'm waffling on too much. I think I'm just happy to be in Scotland. Anyway, let's carry on. Sorry, let me rephrase that. Let's see what's on offer here, shall we? Let's get started here at Prestonpans. Okay, passing there, 91127 and 82204 on a delayed Virgin Trains East Coast service from London King's Cross to Edinburgh Waverley. Almost caught me off guard, but didn't, only just. Alright, approaching in the distance over there is the slightly delayed 1208 pass from Edinburgh to London King's Cross. (82,223) and 91,110. That was actually my train from Berwick upon Tweed to Edinburgh, so it's just coming back. Didn't have long to wait really in Edinburgh. Okay, the next train to pass, as you can see, is a cross-country service from Glasgow Central to Penzance. – 221132, I believe. Okay, so just a little confirmation about this one down here. That one will be on the move during this session here at Prestonpans. It is forming a empty, I think you could call it an empty coaching stock move if you like. But it is running from, well, that area over there is called Prestonpans UPL. And what it will be doing is after it does that, it will be forming, going to Edinburgh, and then we'll be on the 1430 to London King's Cross. Anyway, as a gap on there, passing through as well will be another Virgin Trains East Coast service from London King's Cross to Edinburgh. This service is running 9 minutes.
Stand clear of the platform edge. Fast train approaching.
So yeah, running about 10 minutes late. (91,120) and (82,208). We're also expected something very interesting to be passing through Prestonpans very, very shortly. It will probably be the next clip, so do look out. Alright, passing through now is the NMT. It's the Flying Banana, running a move from Newton Heath, TNR SMD, to Newcastle via Edinburgh. (43062) and (43014). Also passing is a Scotrail service from Edinburgh to Dunbar. And this service won't be stopping here. This one's going to Dunbar from Edinburgh. It's a bit of a faster service, I believe. (380). 021 and 010. It was a double, and that was crazy. Anyway, 380.021 and 380.010. Okay, now approaching platform 2 is the 1244 Scotrail service from North Berwick to Edinburgh Waverley. And it is 380.114 coming back. Okay, departing now is the 1244 Scotrail service to Edinburgh Waverley from North Berwick. Passing through at the same time is a Virgin Trains East Coast HST from Aberdeen to London King's Cross. (43.318) and (43.315). That service is calling at Berwick upon Tweed, Newcastle, Darlington, York and London King's Cross. And that 380 is calling now at Walleyford, Musselburgh and Edinburgh Waverley. Okay, approaching now is the 1256 Scotrail service from Edinburgh Waverley to North Berwick. And no one is on the platform to get the train, it's probably going to drop off then. 380.101. Okay, departing now is the 1256 Scotrail service to North Berwick, calling at Long Nidri, Drem and North Berwick. And as you can see just over there, there is also a cross-country service passing through. This is from Bath Spa to Glasgow Central. Yes, Bath Spa. There is one today from Bath Spa, and it is ridiculously pointless. (220.033). Calling Edinburgh, Haymarket, Motherwell and Glasgow Central. From Bath Spa, it left Bath Spa 0609 this morning. Okay, passing through now is a Virgin Trains East Coast service from Edinburgh to London King's Cross.
Please stand clear of the platform edge. Fast train approaching.
(82.204) and (91.127) coming back. I just found out as well that that train in the loop over there is actually my train back to King's Cross. So, just staring at it right now, but I bought it in Edinburgh. It's the 14:30 off King's Cross, so That's my train back to London, King's Cross. Interesting that. Passing through there was 220.018 and 220.001 again on a cross-country service from Edinburgh to Plymouth. Yeah, you could tell I didn't see that coming because I was actually waiting for this train to turn up, which has decided to turn up right now. It is Virgin Trains East Coast service from London King's Cross to Edinburgh, running about 7 minutes late. From another 225 set.
Fast train approaching.
91.108 and 82.228. Okay, passing through now is a Scotrail 380 from Dunbar to Edinburgh. .380.010 and 380.021. I believe they're only going to Edinburgh now as well. Might be wrong there though. Right, approaching is an empty stop move from the Prestonpans loop to Edinburgh. As I say, this will be my train to London King's Cross. It's running on the down line, which is quite strange. I suppose because there's no other sort of junction to... Oh no. Sorry, yes, it's going on the up line. Never said it was going on the down line, didn't hear that. Technically it did both. It is 91.103. And 82.227. Okay, so as the empty stop goes through, I'm going to end the video from Prestonpans here. So thank you all for watching this video from Prestonpans. If you have liked what you've seen it, then please do like and subscribe. And please do leave any comments because I will get back to them as and when I can. And any recommendations are also welcome. So please do leave us in the comments too. This station has been fantastic. The views are sensational. This is definitely one of the best stations I've ever been to. It is sensational for views. The curbs are like no other. And the views just has been so far away, especially down there as we can see them going up the gradient. Definitely a brilliant station. I highly recommend this station. Anyone should come here. It's fantastic. Get a good bit of passing trains and just the hourly stopping trains as well, but it is really good. Yeah, fantastic station. So on a big trip next, the next station will be Wakefield Westgate. However, the next station which will be up will be Bristol Temple Meads from Rover. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all very soon. Goodbye guys.